Hey guys, welcome back. Drew Morgan here, Director of Sales at Technology Solutions. I'm here with William Nozak, CMO of Nozak Consulting, one of our partners. So, back at it. How important is the website, man? How important? It's got to be important, but how important is it?
Okay. How important is it, right? Okay, well, I look at the website as one component to a digital strategy.
Okay.
It's one piece.
Mm-hmm.
So when people try to tell you all you need is a website, not true. A website is like a hat in an outfit, a tie in an outfit. It's one piece to many components that make something complete.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to have a website. We have to have a theme. We have to have something that the bots find easy to understand with schema, language, markup, content. Lot of this is extremely important. But alone, it actually doesn't serve a good purpose at all. So you have to have a whole lot more than that. Sometimes you have to have advertising, as far as Google AdWords, Facebook remarketing, YouTube pre-roll, LinkedIn marketing. You certainly have to have your directories and your D&B in most cases, your Facebook or your social medias that you're utilizing, and all of those primary aggregate directories having your information. You certainly want to have everything that is in front of a potential end user optimized for your success. All of this is not, it's the website and. We always talk about website and. Have to have a website. I can't brand without a website.
No.
Where are you going to push them to?
Yeah.
You spend money on advertising, what are you going to push them to your Facebook? See it all the time.
Yeah.
So very important, but not standalone. It's not an a la carte.
Yeah, I agree. So what does mobile responsiveness and mobile friendly mean? Where's that? What does it mean? To me, I'm thinking, oh, okay, I get a text, boom, I'm responding real fast. No, right?
No.
So explain to me about that.
So Google changed their algorithm. Once upon a time, they valued your website by how it looked through the desktop. If it looked good in the desktop, served well in the desktop, they actually would then position you in the mobile SERPs. Mm-hmm. They flipped that because phone users eventually had a tipping point with desktop users, and they realized that we've got more phone users surfing the internet. So what they did is they said, we're going to start indexing you through the phone. Mm-hmm. And when you index well through the phone, that's how we'll position you on the desktop. So it flipped.
Okay.
So now when we're indexing a website, we're focusing on the presentation on the mobile, the presentation on the phone. And we've got 5G coming down the pipe. Mm-hmm. Sites have to be fast. Mm-hmm. They have to be compliant with accessibility. There's a lot of lawsuits coming down the pipe with accessibility for people with visual impairments. Mm-hmm. There's a whole bunch involved with a website and what goes into doing it right.
Mm-hmm. And that kind of carries into my next question. How important is speed and security?
Speed and security, in my opinion, are at the top of the list.
Okay.
So speed, like I mentioned, 5G is coming down the pipe. People don't want to wait. I don't want to wait 3 seconds, 2 seconds for your site to load. This has everything to do with what you're serving on the pages, how many calls you're doing, like how many things that you have serving on the page, where it has to be pulled from, how big your images are, how optimized they are. There are a lot of tests you can do that we do in our audit stack to make sure that the page is serving properly, making sure that you've got the right servers in the country, using C2 machine type, using large servers with CDNs across the country. So if you're located in the central US, people on the coasts can get your information served quickly. Mm-hmm. In regard to vulnerabilities and security, extremely important, especially right now. Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. Like, you just saw a government website get hacked. Yeah. All the time you see hackers involved with websites. You see WordPress sites get hacked. Why? Because they're not updated regularly. They're not manicured regularly. The passwords aren't secure. The usernames are easy to pick off. So security is extremely important. Speed is extremely important.
Yeah. Hey guys, just want to say thank you for your time. Thank you for the view. We appreciate it. Thanks to Will for coming out, let me interview him, give us great information for SEO, websites, and CI reports. Guys, if you have any questions, please email me at drew.morgan@techsolutions.cc. Should have a link below. Click it. Check me out. Give me a shout. I'll be right back with you. Thank you.